Hello, my friends, and welcome to my cozy casita. Thank you so much for being here. And you know, in the last post that I did, I shared that I believe God is calling me to be on YouTube. But to be honest, every time I even think about it, I get so nervous and my brain totally quits working. And and yet God knows my heart. He knows I'm willing, but it is such a stretch out of my comfort zone. It's like this huge battle, honestly. So I've been watching some YouTube videos on how to make YouTube videos. And one of them suggested that you video yourself doing something you're familiar doing every day. And that if you just continue to record yourself, that eventually you'll get used to being in front of the camera. And so that very moment, or that very morning, I thought, okay, I make myself a green smoothie almost every morning, and so I'll just record that. And so I did. I recorded myself talking to you while I made my green smoothie. And to be honest, it didn't turn out all that bad. But do you really want to watch me making a green smoothie? Probably not. But that is not the point here, is it? The point is that I'm trying. I'm trying to learn and to grow. And so I thought, I'll just go ahead and finish this up and share it with you anyway, just for fun. Yes. So anyway, here we go. And please let me know, if you watch it till the end, please let me know in the comments maybe what you think. If maybe you do drink smoothies, or maybe I inspired you to want to make yourself your own green smoothie, or maybe you think that I should just kind of stick with creating art and forget making videos. I get that too. So enough said. Drum roll, please, and here we go. Welcome to my cozy casita kitchen. Good morning, my friends. So how many of you have a smoothie for breakfast? I do a lot, just because it's easier and it's still nutritious. So I'm not real big on cooking right now. So, and I love green smoothies. It makes me feel like I'm healthier. So I just pack my little single serving container, single serving jar, pack it good and snug with spinach leaves, and try not to drop them on the floor. And then I use oatmeal. No measuring. Sometimes I get it right. Sometimes I don't. Okay. I have found with my blender, because it's not like all that powerful, that if I do just the spinach and the milk first, that it's much, what's the word? It grinds up the spinach more, so there's no, if I put everything in all at once, the spinach tends to still have little chunks. So this is helpful for me, so with my blender, but I will spare you the noise. All right, so once the spinach is all taken care of, I have some protein powder. I've been hearing more and more lately about how protein in the morning, or altogether protein, is so important. And I think I went through a phase where I just don't think I was getting enough protein. I was just so tired. So I add 2 scoops of protein powder, and I add in some frozen bananas, and hopefully I'll have room for all my strawberries. Okay, maybe not. We'll see if the lid goes on. And sometimes this lid is a bit challenging anyway. There we go. All right. Again, spray the noise. All right. So there we have it. And it's nice and not too thick. I'm just gonna grab a nice glass. Oh, yeah. And I even have a glass straw. My daughter gave it to me. Yummy. Cheers.